And she went for a bike ride today.
Good.
She came back when we were there again.
And you know, there's an end in sight, so it's not like it'll go on and on.
And her sister's going to come back down.
This may have been an earlier version of that plane. He's familiar with the European planes because he's from Europe.
Yeah, but that's Japanese.
Yeah, Japan's not near Europe at all.
Do you know the Hurricane? Spitfire?
English, yeah. What were the planes that you saw in the die-cast shop? Which ones were you naming?
I was naming a Liberator, a Michel, I think a couple of the German planes.
Well, Bass knew about a couple of these.
What's the one with the wings that folded up? You had named that one. The wings were folded up. Remember that one?
I think that was a Phantom.
Phantom did that. Corsair did that way back. But Phantom was the one that they're on the aircraft carriers and the wings folded up.
Phantom did? I didn't know that. I've heard of the Phantom all my life. I know the wings folded up. Not all my life.
What can you tell me about those airplanes? Now, we talked about the F-86 and the MiG-15, right? What was the next one we talked about?
Like a bomber?
No, it was another. You said the opponent was the MiG-19.
Oh yeah.
What was that?
Soviet Union fighter plane.
Well, the MiG-19 was. But which one did we have? That was its opponent.
F-14.
That's the Phantom, right? That's what it was. Okay. Now, what's the newest? What's the newest one now?
Isn't it the Raptor?
Yeah, I think the Raptor is. I think it is. So what's its opponent? Do we know that?
I think it's in the MiGs.
It is, okay. They're still the Russian planes. He knows a lot about airplanes.
He impressed Bass even.
Yeah.
He knew about cars, he knew about planes.
Within about 8 feet of the and it's 10 minutes at the back of the video. And Dick looked at me and said,
Today we were out on the boat all day.
Go. This is you, Kurt.